welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another video in my home series. In the first video of the home series, I give you guys an empty house tour. So if you haven't seen that video, please go check that video out after this one. In this one, I'm going to show you guys what I have so far for the house. Of course, I have other little miscellaneous things here and there, but these are the new things that I just got for the house, whether they were gifts or I bought them myself. And stick around for the very end because I'm going to show you guys an update on the house. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. You will be totally surprised at how it looks right now, so you don't want to miss that part. So let's get into the first part of today's video, which is showing you guys what we have for the house so far. So one of the things we already have for the house is an electric wine opener. Yes, this is necessary. You guys have no idea how many corkscrews we have broken. This one my boyfriend actually got for me as part of my Christmas gift, so thank you, babe. And he actually bought it from Costco. The next thing I have was another gift that I got for Christmas, but this one I got from my sister, and it is the Soda Stream. I love sparkling water. You guys have heard me rave about Topo Chico, but the obsession is real, guys. I just love mineral water and sparkling water, anything like that. So I knew I wanted to have one of these in my kitchen, but this one is the black one. But my sister is actually gonna exchange it to be the white one so it matches with my cabinets. Look at how delicious that water looks. Okay, right away I can tell you guys there is a trend going on. This is all related to beverages. This next one here is a Keurig. It is the limited edition color in cashmere gray, and I'm so excited because I love tea and Joel loves coffee, so he's gonna be having his coffee and I'm gonna be having my tea. We actually got this for a very low price, $40. Insane. So I'm so happy to have this, and it's gonna go great with my stainless steel appliances. Okay, a few more things that have to do with beverages, and then the rest of it is not beverage related, so I promise these are the last few things related to that. But my dad and his girlfriend got us these beautiful wine glasses. They are so chic. I love how they look, but these are adorable, and they bought us 4. And to go along with that, they bought us this beautiful sign that says home, and you can store wine bottles up here and the wine glasses down here in these little racks. So I'm so excited to put this up because my kitchen is going to be very white, very gray, and it's going to have a little bit of hints of wood and black. So this is going to fit just right in my kitchen. Next, I bought 12 of these glasses. These are stemless wine glasses, and I got these from Macy's. My best friend Veralice was telling me, girl, you have to get on this deal. It is such a good deal, and it was definitely a good deal. 12 stemless wine glasses from Macy's for $9, guys. $9. So I definitely hopped on that deal. You can definitely feel that these are a little bit thicker than you would normally find at another store, so I'm really happy I got 12 of these little babies, and these are just perfect. You don't have to use it for wine. I'm definitely going to be using it for sangria and just to drink water out of it, so I'm so excited to use these in my kitchen. The next item, my boyfriend really wanted it one day that we were in Costco, and I agreed with him. That is something we will be definitely using in our living room, and it is this blanket right here. It is from Mont and Jardin? I'm not sure. But it is a velvet blanket in queen size, and if you guys just felt this, it just feels amazing. It feels like butter. It's so soft, and I could just imagine us sitting on the couch watching a movie, cuddled up in this soft blanket. Perfect night. This was an item that I really wanted, and Joel got it for me for Christmas, and it is in the white color, so it'll match with my Soda Stream, and it is a KitchenAid mixer. I'm actually gonna put it down back here. It is the KitchenAid mixer. I am so excited to use this. I love baking, I love cooking, so I'm gonna be putting this to use. I'm just so happy he got me this, and I cannot wait to use it. This is my big Christmas gift from Joel. This next item I actually picked up on sale. I think it was either right before Black Friday or right after, but I got it for a steal, guys, like super cheap. It is the crock pot, and I got it in the stainless steel color to match the appliances in the kitchen. I've already cooked so many recipes in my dad's smaller crock pot, so this one is the bigger size one, and I'm so excited to use it. It is so convenient. If you guys have not used a crock pot yet, you guys need to get on it. You could literally leave your meal cooking all day because it has that setting to be a slow cooker. I actually got this for $15, and it came with a $10 mail-in rebate from Kohl's. So it was a $5 crock pot Love it. By the way, guys, I'm wearing some Good To Be merch, living like it's Friday. It is their cropped hoodie, and it's so soft inside, guys. This like fleece material inside is insane. It is so soft. I love it, and it's so warm. Next thing for the kitchen, I picked up these measuring cups from Target, from their dollar spot. They weren't $1, they were $3, but they're really cute. They have that marble print on the actual cup itself, and then they have this copper color right here on the handles. I just thought they were really cute, and this is one thing that you're like, I don't really want to spend too much money on measuring cups, measuring spoons. So I'm so glad I found really cute ones at Target. And my sister bought me the measuring spoons, but I forgot those at her house, so I have both of them in the same color. Next, I got 2 mats for the kitchen, and they were also in Target's dollar spot, but these were actually $5 each. I have this one, super cute, and then I also found another one, so I really liked both, so I might interchange them. Like when one is washing, I'll put the other one out, and this is the second one. I'm not sure, maybe I might put this one outside or by the back door when people are coming in from the back, but I really liked both of them for the kitchen, but I might end up moving them around, or like I said, when one is washing, I'll leave the other one out. But I just thought it was so adorable because it'll definitely fit my kitchen theme. Next, I picked up this basket from Target. I love the curves of this basket. I thought this would be really cute in the living room, maybe with a blanket hanging over it. But I also love that it had these like cute leather straps right here. I'm going for a very cute theme. I'm not sure if I've shared it yet, but I'm not going to share it. So if I have already shared it, hopefully you forgot about it. But I'm not going to share my theme yet with you guys until I buy a few more things, or maybe until I start decorating my house. But you guys will see how my house looks in just a few minutes. But this is just an adorable basket, and I found it on sale at Target. Next is another decor item that I'm thinking of putting in the living room area, and it is this right here. This beautiful lantern that has a silver frame and then glass as its little walls. And this one is actually from the Hearth and Hand collection, Joanna Gaines, Ship Gaines, their collection at Target. And I got these on sale too. I got them for $9, and I think the original price is on here for $32. So actually, I got these for $7. $7 for these lanterns, and I bought 2 of them. I think I'm gonna put maybe like fake pieces of wood in here, or maybe as the seasons change, I'll change the decor that'll be in these lanterns. I'm so excited for them, and I'm so happy I got them on sale. The next thing I actually picked up from Costco, and they are these black hangers. It comes with 50 non-slip black hangers, and I wanted to keep all the hangers in the house the same color, so instead of those white plastic ones, I thought these would look a little more chic. So these will be going in all the closets. The last things we have for the house are actually electronics, and you might have seen in one of my previous vlogs that we went to Costco. We actually bought a ton of these smart bulbs from Costco, and we're gonna put them all over the living room and maybe the kitchen island and maybe in the hallway. I'm not sure where Joel wants to put them yet, but we bought a ton of these. You can tell Google Home or Alexa to turn them on and off and to change their color, but if you don't have those, you can also use your cell phone. So I thought these would be super cool to add in to convert our house into a smart house. So going along with that, we also have the Google Home, but that's at Joel's apartment. But we also have 2 Google Home Minis, these little guys right here, and they look like this. Boom. So the bigger Google Home will be going in the kitchen, and then one of these will be going in the master bedroom, and the other one is going to be going in my beauty room. And then we also have the Ring chime that my dad and his girlfriend gave us. We just have to buy the Ring doorbell. So we will be getting that, but we also have a ton of Christmas decor that I'll be showing you guys during this year's Christmas when I start decorating the house, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's it. That's all we have for the house so far. Now stick around to see the update of our house, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, we are in the house right now, and we just finished working on it for the day, and we did a lot of gutting and a lot of cleaning up. So I want to show you guys the progress. As you can probably see from behind me how it looks, but I want to show you guys what we have going on so far. This used to be my living room. Completely gutted. Completely. This was our bedroom. We still have to clean up this room, but we need to empty out the dumpster. This is gonna be my beauty room. Still have quite a ways to go, guys. My closet. And that's what we have so far. We have quite a ways to go, but I'm so excited, and I got nice and dirty today helping out, so that's what we have. So stay tuned for more updates, guys.
So it's February 15th, and we just wanted to give you a little update on the house project. So that's it. Kind of almost done gutting it out. Now it's basically all clean up now. We're on our second dumpster. Gonna need a third. Demolition stuff was a lot harder than I expected it to be. Knocking that wall down also and reframing it. Small house, so only took a minute. This is the second one. First one was 4.5 tons. Yeah, it's got garbage over here.